Big shout out to Dripperz for hosting the meet. Pretty dope spot. Coffees and vapes. Just while they're hot. Before you go out for a night of cruising. So again, we got the Nissan Sentra SR. And then we got the 2.4 liter Accord. Stance Zuzu. That's a 10 out of 10. Roof rack on point too. Tell me, Mike. Tell me.
The blue Beamer. That's what we saw.
Oh yeah, yeah, they're here. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Yeah, pretty good spot so far. Shout out to Funny Faces, I think it's called.
Yeah, Famous Faces,
Famous. Funny. Yeah, that spot. That's where we get all our Funkos. Actually, that's not where we get all our Funkos. Don't steal my spot.
Yes, it is. Shit's green, dude. I didn't even notice that, bro. It's crazy. It's fun.
The whole car is flooded. The whole car is flooded. Shout out to the whole car. They changed. A little upset that
I'm really upset I didn't bring my 7.3 out of here, boy. God damn.
People would have respected it. What year?
97.
God, that's older than he is.
The big diesel. Yes, sir.
You win, bro. We got the donks. Donk life out here in West Melbourne. It's real life, people.
I fuck with the Z, bro. Hell.
Those are Sylvias, Frank.
Those are Sylvias?
That's what you drift, dude. Those. Well, you got 3 to look at. This is ideal, people. This is what you want right here. Oh, God. Oh, my God. These guys, we're out in West Melbourne. Sunday fun day. We'll see them out there.
Yeah, see, the lowered range is so bad.
My brother took his doors off his Ranger.
I had a fucking trucker shifter in that bitch, too.
Oh, my God, bro. But, you know, we're still working on it. We gotta replace a power steering pump next. I didn't want to drive it without that shit, so. But yeah, all in all, I saw a bunch of amazing cars. Before it falls. Bunch of amazing cars. Honda NSX to top everything off. One of my favorites. Of course, yeah, the S13 drifters, everything like that. But this is Big Red. Franco's gonna take this out next. It's 7.3, 97. Yeah, it's a big boy. So we're gonna have a nice group of us. This was what I was in at the meet itself. It's my little SR Sentra. I love it. Never had an issue with this car. It's got over 100,000 on it, so definitely recommended for a little daily. But all right, YouTube. This has been Tommy Jr. and the Car Club. Say what's up to the froggies. We out.